Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Menteri Kesor Karjala bopet yang tenat pendroi nong kendong iti mondal wilayah tu hayung dor bar bagi dan kendai tiliki Community and Rural Development Block keberang syupen khatmai shen na kebentawan wanra kajing trai kam bat jing syakri ke kamjan sya upat ba umandal ula ong ya kani haba juwab ya kajing kali ke balawan ra do MLA ke Mawhati ba Charles Marngar haka kenta kali jing kali haka dor bar mang tingka menta kesengi ke arpu artrek uleber arhajar arpulai Uba Charles Marngar ula bu jingkali ru yo menteri la ka sarkar jela kala penrung ni em ha ka thop namar ka don ka dor khas ka bala pha da ka senjuk kirang ba shnong ka than Mawhati ha usnam arjar arpuai ha ka ba kila dawa ban thaw ya ka Mawhati C&Rd block haba jubab ya kani na kalyang umandel ula ong bahadu menta kampat rung ha ka thop haba ya de ba ka Mawhati ba ka sarkar kamdan ki kenduan ki babatai sha Halor ka jing thaw ki C&Rd block hendai ka dan pat ya ka jing thmu wan wan ra ka jing trai kam kabak hamjan syaki pat ba. De hadin ba umandel ula ay kini ke jubab ba Charles Marngaru ula ong baka sarkar ka deban pet bat ay block no ya ka Mawhati. Kumta kini ka por na kalyang MLA ka nongkrem uba Arden basayo matru ula bu jingkali ban dawalang ban ay C&Rd block no ya ka nongkrem.
Reply to start question number 13. Sir, the state government has created 9 C&Rd block recently. The government has every intention of bringing governance and administration closer to the people.
This is Charles Marno, your supplementary question.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I'm very happy to see that the state government has created 9 new C&Rd blocks recently. And also the government has every intention of bringing governance and administration closer to the people. My supplementary question is, may I know from the Honorable Minister in charge whether the creation of Mawhati C&Rd block demanded long time back by the Sinjuk of the Rangbachnong and submitted the memorandum to the then minister in the year 2021 is in the list or not?
As of now, no, sir. It is not in the list.
The next supplementary question, please.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I know from the Honorable Minister what are the guidelines for creation of new C&Rd blocks?
Mr. Speaker, sir, there is no fixed guidelines. Government's intention is to bring administration to be closer to the people, and for the early and easier implementation of different schemes and programs. So as and where it is required, after studying the feasibility report, government checks up these cases and open new blocks.
Mr. Speaker, sir, because of the problem facing by our people, my constituency, because of the long distance, especially the village border area, where the distance is not less than 80 kilometers to Umsning C&Rd block. I, on behalf of the people of Mawhati constituency, I request the Honorable Minister in charge C&Rd for creation of new C&Rd block in my constituency. Thank you.
Sir, the point is noted.
Okay. Arden, please.
Sir, since the intention of the government is to bring governance and administration closer to the people, may I know the mind of the government, the mind of the minister, whether there is any intention to create Nongkrem block also, for that matter, sir. C&Rd.
Sir, as I told, as of now, there is no proposal.
Is there any intention, sir, since I brought to the notice of the minister, to consider this also as one of the priority in your department?
Sir, I told that as and where it is required, government intention is there to open blocks, sir. So after examining only we can say, sir.